Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm giving you this look. I'm calling it Ethereal. I don't know why that's the first word that pops into my head, but if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, just keep on watching. So first off, we're going to start a little dance break, of course, to get in the zone. And I'm going in with my Anastasia Brow Wiz as per usual and doing my brows. And of course, after I fill them in with my Brow Wiz, I'm going to be taking my L'Oreal Brow Stylist Plumper and setting my brows with that after I'm done. I don't know if I should keep showing these clips of me doing my brows because I feel like if you've seen one of my tutorials, you already know what I do. But anyways, I'm taking my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion and I'm using that as my eye primer, and then I'm going to set my primer with my Maybelline Fit Me powder. I'm just taking that on my fluffy eyeshadow brush and just putting that all over my lid. And next up, I'm taking the Makeup Geek Peach Smoothie Shadow, and I'm using that as my transition shade, and I'm putting that in first to start the look off. And then I'm going to go in with my ColourPop and Kathleen Light's Dream Street palette, and I'm going in with the shade Magical, and Magical is Peach Smoothie, but just maybe a hint or two darker, which is why I started out with Peach Smoothie first, and then I'm putting Magical over it to build up the color. And next I'm going to go in with the shade Shooting Star, and I'm going to focus that on the outer V of my eye and slowly working it in. And then I'm going to take the shade Kaleidoscope and I'm going to put that all over my lid. The best way to apply the shadow, in my opinion, is with your finger or with a wet brush. I typically use a wet brush, and then I'm just making sure there's no harsh lines, and I'm going back over it with my finger because I did not wet my brush in this clip. Don't know why I didn't. I'm stupid. But I'm going in with my Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara and coating my top lashes with that. And then moving on to my face, I'm going to take my NYX Angel Veil Primer and I'm going to prime my skin with that. I used to have this and I recently rediscovered it, and I'm going in with my Misha BB Cream and I'm going to blend that in with my crown brush. And there should be a review of this BB cream up on my channel soon because I finally put my thoughts together on it. But after that, after I finish blending this out, which takes literally forever, I'm going to go in with my Makeup Revolution concealer. I don't remember what the exact name is. It might just be the Makeup Revolution concealer. There it is, finally. I'm just dyeing that all over my face and doing a little triangle and blending that in with my foundation brush as well. And then I'm also going to set my under eye and the rest of my face with my Maybelline Fit Me powder. And then once I'm done setting, I'm going to go in with my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer and bronzing my face. And I realized that I didn't put on any blush, which I don't know why I didn't, but I'm going back into the palette and I'm taking Magical and Shooting Star and I'm mixing the two shades and putting that on my bottom, under my eyes, my lower lash line, good grief, and then I'm coating my bottom lashes with the Lash Sensational Mascara, and then I'm taking the Anastasia Renaissance palette and I'm using the shade Tempera and I'm putting that on my brow bone and inner corner. Going in with my Essence lip liner in the shade In the Nude, I'm lining my lips with that, and then I'm taking the Fenty Beauty lip gloss, gloss bomb or whatever in Fenty Glow, and I'm putting that all over my lips. But anyways guys, that completes this look. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. That's me telling you to do that. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.